Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to buy Usdt with Trust Wallet. Open Trust Wallet, unlock it, and tap D-Apps or browser to access swaps and exchanges within the app. Next, connect a payment method like a debit card or use crypto you already own. Review the fees, confirm the Usdt network ERC20, BEP20, or TRC20, set slippage if needed, and complete the swap by confirming the transaction now. Start by funding your Trust Wallet with fiat via debit card or by transferring crypto from another wallet. Use a supported on-ramp in the D-App browser or a third-party fiat gateway. Double-check the payment details and wait for confirmations before attempting a swap. Consider small test amounts to verify routes and fees, and keep private keys and seed phrases secure offline to prevent loss. Check exchange rates across providers. Select Usdt in the token list, pick the desired network, and enter the amount you want to buy. Review the estimated fees, slippage tolerance, and minimum received values before approving. Approve token spending if required, confirm the transaction in your wallet, and monitor the on-chain status until it shows complete. If you see unexpected fees, pause and seek help from official support. Never share seed phrases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.